अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
वालेकुम सलाम।
कैसी हैं आप?
मैं बिल्कुल ठीक अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह।
अभी आपका यहाँ पे एसएमएम का कोर्स कंप्लीट हुआ है, तो आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा यहाँ पे?
Alhamdulillah, it was very good. I was completely new in that field, but the class and the teachers and the mentors were so good that I just felt like home over here, and it was great working with them. And I hope so that I would be able to work with them even more. So
अच्छा,
thankful. I'm so thankful.
अच्छा, तो लैब के हवाले से आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा? यहाँ पे इन्वायरमेंट आपको कैसा लगा?
It was nice and a very cooperative environment. So and a very cooperative staff as well, and very cooperative teachers. So if someone is absent, even though, so that they just repeat the lectures on the next day, and it's a very convenient thing for the. You know, we all are married, and over here, we are not that much young that we can attend all the sessions on time. So this is a very, relaxing sessions as well.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.